in the time of my father, we had only one hotel, Manila Hotel. And it was already in decline. And so we had to put up, so that was why we had this. But now, we have our guests in the hotel, so, and since the last time, the progress of the treatments we agreed on the 99 scholars, and service institute, the technical assistance, and we have, yes.
Pumunta kayo.
Thank you. Thank you.